Hey everybody, what's going on? So I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to do what I call Papa Shrimplets. So one of the things I want to go over is pH. The question is, can I get my pH low enough? Yes, I can. And so how do I check that? Now, everybody knows I'm not a big fan of chasing parameters, but I do keep them in mind, especially when I'm doing stuff like this and using filter boxes to control the water parameters or help me control the water parameters. How I know for sure is I went ahead and spent the money for something like this, which is a really super awesome pH meter. And of course, I have my TDS pen. The thing that you really need to pay attention to is I used to use strips, but you have to pay attention to this. This is how long it's been since I've really used my strips. These are expired. This is my pH test solution, the old drop method. It expired in January. So yeah, you got to pay attention to that. And that's Papa Shrimplet for today. Is make sure you check your expiration date. This expired in October of 2023. This one expired in November 2025. So it hasn't expired yet. Yay, I got a good one here. But make sure you check that stuff. All right. I use like I said, this pH meter and my TDS pen. I use RO water. I remineralize using my GH plus for my Caridina, KH plus for my Neocardinas. But these pH readings on these tanks are running at pretty much 6 even. Highest reading is 6.2, lowest reading 5.8 in all of the tanks that I'm running. Look, that one needs to be adjusted. But all of these tanks are at 6 pretty much. On average, all my Caridina tanks are running 6.0 flat. So thanks for hanging out. This is episode 1 of Papa Shrimplets. We'll see you next time. Peace.